Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebra equations? We have x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 1 equals 1. And we want to see the value of x here that makes this equation equals 1. So the first thing we consider is solution. And from the given questions, we have x into bracket of x plus 2 bracket here is x squared minus 1 equals 1, which is the given question. Then from here, let's say I write this as, if this is difference of 2 squared, we can consider this as x into bracket of x plus 1 multiplied by, so we consider this as x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 then equals 1. So by trying and replace this, so we are going to have x into bracket of, if I place it with x plus 1, then I'm going to place x plus 2 with x minus 1 then equals 1. So having this, we proceed by expanding this. When we expand this, we have x squared plus x, and we put this in a bracket like this. And also when we expand this out, x times x, that is x squared. So x times minus 1, we have it as minus x, then 2 times x, that is plus x, plus 2x, then minus x plus 2x, that gives us plus x. Then 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2, equals 1. So from here, suppose if I let x squared plus x, suppose I change this one to y. So therefore, anywhere I see x squared plus x, I change it to y, okay? Then the equation becomes y, then here is y minus 2 equals 1. So by expanding this, we have this as y squared minus 2y. Let's take 1 here. We have minus 1 equals 0. Here is a quadratic equation, and we try to solve this one quadratically. So we are going to have this equation becomes y here is equals, we apply quadratic equation here, so this becomes 2 plus or minus the square root of 4, then here is plus 4 divided by 2. So I don't have to solve this. So here we have our y here equals 2 plus or minus, so here is square root of 8, which is 2 root 2 divided by 2. And for the whole of this thing, we consider this as 1 plus or minus root 2. So if this is the value of y here, then we are going to recall from where we let x squared plus x equals y, then we try to get the value of x instead of the value of y. So here are what we are going to solve. So let's consider for where y equals to 1 plus root 2. So let's call this one case 1. We are going to have x squared plus x equals 1 plus root 2. And by taking the whole of this here, we have our x squared plus x, then minus open bracket 1 plus root 2 equals 0. Then having this is a quadratic actually, and we are going to solve this using x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So our a here equals, the value of a here equals 1, b equals 1, and we have c equals minus open bracket 1 plus root 2. So by trying to plug it in the quadratic formula, we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of, so b here, which is 1, we have 1 squared minus 4 times 1, then multiply by c is negative here. We have minus open bracket 1 plus root 2, all divided by 2. So then from here, we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of, so 1, then minus times minus, that is plus. So here is 4 times 1. We get it as 4 plus, then 4 times root 2, that is 4 root 2, all divided by 2. So by this, we can conclude that x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 4 root 2, all divided by 2. This is our x2, x1 rather, comma x2. Then to solve for the other one, we consider from where we let x squared plus x equals 1 minus root 2, which is case 2. So we have case 2, where we have our x squared plus x equals 1 minus root 2. So by trying to transfer all this here, we have x squared plus x minus, so there are two ways we can write this. If you take minus here, this becomes plus root 2 minus 1, then everything equals 0. So it can also be in this form. So therefore, we are going to have our a here, which is 1. We have b equals 1, and we have c equals square root of 2. Then we have minus 1. So let's try and substitute it in the formula we just used above. We are going to have x equals, so b is minus, we have minus b, which is minus 1 plus or minus the square root of, so b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4 times 1 times a is root 2 minus 1, all divided by 2. So then we have our x here equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared here. We are going to consider it as 1. Then if this minus 4 multiplied by 1 here, which is minus 1, we have that one as plus 4. Then here is minus 4 root 2 divided by 2. So by this one, we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4, that is 5 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2. So here is what we get here, and we consider this as x2, x3, x4. And we are done for everything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.